All right, workshop progress. We're getting oak boards laid down. Do some electrical work. We've put some particle board down for the CNC. Not a lot of work, well, a lot of work was done, but we've got a grid pattern laid out for the screws. So we got to this point, is all 2x4 frame under here. Three-quarter inch oak. Well, actually 7/8, sorry. And then we're gonna have 3/4 inch particle board on top, nice and stable and smooth. We've got nice paint on the walls. A few things have to be done, finishing up, but it's coming along real good. So here we are. Just a little quick update. We did get the track package and our router. So we'll do unboxings and setting up and everything. We got new lights going in. They're kind of just hanging there right now, but it'll be good. It'll be good stuff. So tune back in. Lots more to come.